In this particular instance, tell us about the heart murmur of the baby.
Okay. A heart murmur is just a noise that we hear. So by definition, a heart murmur is a sound we hear in between the two heartbeats. So instead of boop boop, you hear boop, 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 boop. That's all a heart murmur means. By definition, a heart murmur is a sound. It does not tell you what's causing the heart murmur. So why they came in yesterday to take the picture, the echocardiogram, is to tell us what was causing the heart murmur. So what he's got is two things according to Dr. Chandrasekhar. He's got a PFO, which is called a patent foramen ovale, and he's got a PDA, which is a patent ductus arteriosus. Those two things are openings that are in the heart